How to fix Netgear Nighthawk router no internet error. Step 1. Check the modem. Look at your modem and make sure it shows that it's connected to the internet. If possible, connect a computer directly to the modem with Ethernet and test the internet. If internet works directly with the modem, the problem is likely the Nighthawk. And if the internet doesn't work directly with the modem, contact your ISP. Step 2. Check your Ethernet cable. Make sure the Ethernet cable runs from the modem's LAN port to the Nighthawk's Internet WAN port and is firmly connected. Step 3. Restart the power and modem. Power cycle the network. Turn it off, unplug the modem, turn off the Nighthawk router, wait about 30 seconds, then turn the modem back on, wait for the modem to reconnect the ISP, and then turn the Nighthawk back on. Step 4. Check the internet status. Connect to your Nighthawk and open routerlogin.net. Then sign in and go to Advanced, Internet Port, and Connection Status. Step 5. Update the router firmware. If the router has internet access but is behaving incorrectly, check for a firmware update using the Nighthawk app or router web interface. Step 6. Check your internet connection type. If this is a new router installation and the Nighthawk cannot get online, your ISP may require a specific WAN connection such as PPoE or a static IP rather than the default DHCP configuration. Netgear recommends checking with your ISP if you're unsure. And if nothing else works, factory reset it. Make sure you don't do this first. A factory reset erases your customized router settings. Use a paperclip or something just to push the button in. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.